Same today with the ThermoMaven F1 Stealth. So this neat actually comes with a little temperature guide, so depending on the type of meat you're preparing, they'll have a reference. We have our instructions, and it does say that this can read between -58 and +572 degrees Fahrenheit. The operating range is -4 to 122. We have a certificate of calibration. It says it tested at 212 degrees and 32 degrees, and it got exactly 212 and 32. And here is the probe. So I really like that black color. If you don't like the red that they're usually coming out with, this is going to look a lot nicer in the kitchen. And they even printed a reference there on the back of the thermometer. Looks like the battery compartment is held in with a Phillips. And that is going to use one AAA battery. So now, that is cool. I also really like that red color on there. So I'm holding my fingers on the probe, and that is increasing in temperature. If we close it, that shuts it off. Opening it up, that turns it on. Now I can see on here this is in Fahrenheit. On the back there's a Celsius and Fahrenheit button. If we hit that, we are now in Celsius. So you can use whatever measurement unit you prefer. We do have some rubber pads here on the bottom. And that is magnetic, so that does stick up on its own. We also have a lock button. So he puts that lock icon on, and that way it will hold at that temperature. Yeah, that one.
Big boy.
Yeah, that looks good. Okay. And you said 165?
Correct.
Okay. Oh no, it's not ready.
Okay, we could get more.
Ooh, that one's good. Interesting.
Look, it's littler.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. Cool. All right. Well, we're going to cook it more. I don't want to get sick. Okay. Try this one again. Oh, still. But we're getting there. That one's ready. That one's plenty ready. Okay. So it's just this stubborn guy. Okay. There we go. Awesome. So yeah, another nice one to add to the collection.